Hello and welcome to DIY by Z. Today I'm using this FreeCad drawing to show you on how to make a copy of the parts that is already created here to complete the structure. This structure here I'm making is the small storage unit. In order to do that, first I click on the part of the structure that I needed to copy by clicking the part, and it should turn into blue or gray. So let's try this one. I'll choose this one instead. So it turned into gray. The reason why this is odd color is I was just making an experiment on how to change the color part, but normally the color is like this, gray. So I already highlighted that into blue. I already selected that part. So what I'm gonna do next is go over here on the corner, but first of all, make sure you are on the beam right here, because there are other parts over here on the section here you can choose. So I choose beam, and this menu here shows up. And next thing you do is click that arrows and then click on the ship, which that means you're gonna clone it. So click on that and then go back to the part that you highlighted earlier, and then click on that and then drag the piece to where you want it. And right now, when you're having hard time dragging it like this, you just need to drag it like somewhere like in here, so that, and then you can just move it later on to where you want it. So right there, I left it there. And then now I'm gonna use this buttons here to turn this image, and there's my part, and I'm gonna put that part in this area right here. So right here, because it's missing. Next thing you do is click on the beam again right here, go back here, and these graphics will show. I love using this one, so because it's like drawing it on the paper, but it's on 3D. This piece over here, I'm now ready to put it in place in here. So what I'm gonna do with that is to click on the edit right here, and then transform, and then this axis, 3 axes over here will show up, and these axes can be used in 3 different direction, and this one you can twist it with all these 3 circle over there. You can twist it on different direction. So now I'm gonna have to move it down and then align it with this right here, and then move this one over, and as you notice, the piece that I need to put in the front is behind. So in that case, I have to turn this cage around so that I can see where that piece at. Here I just realized the piece is all the way out here. So now I can just move it over by bringing it up closer here, and then now I turn that this item again until I get it to the right place. This is the rookie way of doing it. I'm pretty sure there are more people who knows how to do this easier and faster than me. And so just drag it and move it in its place, and I do this for several times until I line it up with the rest. So in this case here, that's lined up now, and then I'm gonna have to turn it again to look at a different angle. That's lined up, and then that's lined up, and then I'm gonna check the top view on how it looks like. That's bottom, rear, and top view, and then I there you go. So I was able to attach that, line it up correctly. When you try to add a cross beam over here, simply click on this one right here, the beam, and then create it over here. This is what I do, create it over here at the bottom for now, and then it disappears. But don't worry about it, just go on here, because it should be here on the tree view, whatever you created. This here's the beam 19. Right now it has a length of 10.7 feet, and it has a width of 4 inches, and there's no let's see here, there's no height, so we have to put the height on this. So I'm going to put 2 inches, and then now, because since I put the height of 2 inches, so from basically from here to here is 2 inches, and then from here to there is 4 inches. So it's 2x4 wood, but then the orientation of the wood or the beam is the wrong way. So I want to turn this over one time. So by doing that is changing the measurement here. I'm gonna put it instead of 2 inches, I'm gonna put 4 inches here, and then 2 inches right here. Okay, and then now that changes to 4 inches high right there, 4 inches high, and then 2 inches wide, and let's see, it's about 10 feet something long, 10 feet and 17 inch long. Now then I in order for me to place that over here to where I want it, I just click on this here, and then move this one to where I want it. You can use the move, or you can also use the transform, which is over here on the edit. Click on edit, transform, and then you have these 3 arrows going this way, and then up, and then that way, left or right. See, so I'm gonna put it like along the frame right here. So I'm gonna turn this to line it up, and I have a cross beam already here, so I'm gonna just align that one there, and then bring it closer like that, and then I'm gonna turn these several times to make sure that piece that I put in is lined up with the rest of the frame. And I just needed some fine tuning, and yeah, that's basically it on how to frame